Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kunle Capture, as you guys know. On this channel I'm committed to showcasing new retouching technique, retouching softwares, tools, and so on and so forth. All right, so I've had many people reach out to me that they're having issues with plugin not being signed on their, telling them it's not signed on their computer. So I'm here to help fix that issue. Okay, so now I try to open some of my plugin and I'm getting things like it's not properly signed. Now I'm going to fix that issue for Windows and Mac, but let's start with Windows first. Not signed, any plugin at all, not signed, all those things. As you can see, it's telling me not signed. Okay, so let me just close it. So first thing you do is close your Photoshop. Okay, right, sorry about this. Okay, let's just go on. So the next thing you do is come to your search and search for registry. See, registry editor, that's what you search for. Once you type reg, you should see it. All right, just click on it. It asks you the question, just click yes. All right, so you can come down here and drag it to the left. Okay, all right, so you should see it like this, except you've tampered with it before. I've tampered with mine, So if you're not like me, if you don't tamper with it, all you gotta do is go to this HKeys current user. HKeys current user, you open it, then you go down to software, you open it, then you look for Adobe on this list. Okay, Adobe is here, break it down. You now look for this CXXS12. You know what I'm talking about, So now the thing is, I don't know what is on your system, might be different, but this is actually indicating the version of Photoshop I'm using. All right, now I'm using the latest Photoshop beta, the paid version, but any version you're using, don't worry, just proceed. But I would advise that it should be at least 223 and above. All right, this might not be fixed if it is earlier than that. Okay, so any version you see, just click on it. All right, so here you have it. Then you left click and you see new, click on new and click on string value. Then here you type PlayerDebugMode. Now just type it exactly as you see it. The P must be capital. Player, my bad. The P must be capital. Player. The D must be capital. Debug mode. M must be capital. No space. Just type it this way. PlayerDebugMode. PlayerDebugMode, no space, and click enter. That's it. So after doing that, you double click on what you just created. You come to this value data and add one. Okay, and you click on OK. Guess what, guys? That's done. That is done. So now let me open Photoshop. Let me open the normal Photoshop. Imagine I don't even have it. I use beta. Okay, let's open beta. Any of the Photoshop that you're using, you're supposed to see it there. And I think this is the latest version. I just updated it today, and I think they've had some new features. Okay, all right. This is my Photoshop. I don't want to show the pictures I'm currently doing because I'm editing for a lot of people. All right, so I just go to Windows and I go to extension, beauty retouch. Then I wait, extension, beauty retouch, and that's it. That start working. So that is how you fix it for Windows. All right, if you go through this process without mistakes, it works for Windows. Now for guys that are using MacBook, let us go to MacBook. So I'm going to switch to MacBook now. Guys, remember to subscribe to this page, share this video, because many people have reached out to me. A lot of people, I can't even count, but I've been so busy to make the video for you guys to fix the issue. So any plugin at all is going to fix it. Now let's go to MacBook. To fix this issue on MacBook, all you have to do is first of all, let me show you here. You go to Windows, extension, beauty retouch, has not been signed, and so on and so forth. So you just shut down, just close your Photoshop. Right now, these two codes is on the description. So what you have to do is go to your apps and search for terminal. Search for terminal. Then when you open terminal, this first one you copy it. I'm just gonna copy it like this. You come to your terminal, you paste it, make sure nothing is added, then you hit enter. Then you go to the second one, you copy it as well, Control C, then you come to the terminal, you paste it, Control V, you press enter. Once you do that, first one enter, second one enter, and let's go back to Photoshop. Now this only works if your Photoshop is like 2024 and above. Anything earlier than that is not going to work. So let's just wait for Photoshop to come up. Alright, so I go to Windows, extension. Now if it doesn't work, paste it again. Now it's working. So that is how you fix plugins. Now any plugin that is telling you not signed, that's how you fix any plugin at all that's telling you not signed. That's how you fix it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching.